Hey everyone! Today, we're focusing on tablets for watching movies and streaming. Choosing the right one can be tricky. So let's break down the key features for entertainment. First, the display is crucial. Look for a high-resolution screen. Ideally Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels or higher for crisp visuals. Also, consider the screen technology. IPS displays offer wider viewing angles and accurate color reproduction. Brightness is also important, especially for outdoor viewing. A good range is 300 nits or more. Next, let's talk about audio. Tablet speakers vary in quality. Some have dual speakers for balanced sound. Consider speaker placement. Front-facing speakers are preferred. If audio is a priority, use headphones or external speakers. Most tablets have a headphone jack, and all support Bluetooth. Now, processing power and storage. A fast processor and ample RAM ensure smooth streaming. Look for a modern processor from Qualcomm or Apple. More RAM is better for multitasking. For storage, consider how much you'll download locally. If you download a lot, choose at least 64 GB, and ideally 128 GB or more. Some tablets also support micro SD cards. Battery life is also crucial. Aim for at least 8 to 10 hours of video playback. Battery life varies, so check reviews. Operating system matters too. The two main ones are Android and iOS. Both have vast app stores. Consider your existing ecosystem. If you use Apple products, an iPad might be a natural choice. If you prefer more customization, Android might be more appealing. Finally, think about portability and design. Tablets come in various sizes. If you travel often, a lighter tablet might be preferable. Consider the design and build quality. The best tablet fits your specific needs. Consider all these features to make an informed decision. And enjoy your favorite content on the go. Hey everyone! Today, we're focusing on tablets for movies and streaming. Choosing the right one can be tough, so let's break down the key features. First, the display. Look for a high-resolution screen. Ideally Full HD or Quad HD, for sharp visuals. Screen size matters. Around 10 inches or more. Provides a more immersive experience. Next, the screen technology. AMOLED displays offer vibrant colors and deep blacks. IPS LCD screens are also great, providing accurate colors and wide viewing angles. Check brightness levels for comfortable viewing. Audio quality is key. While headphones are common, built-in speakers should still be decent. Tablets with stereo speakers and technologies like Dolby Atmos improve the audio experience. Performance is important. You want a tablet that can handle streaming without lag. Look for a powerful processor and ample RAM for smooth multitasking. Latest tablets often have processors designed for gaming, which ensures a fantastic streaming experience. Storage is another consideration. You'll want enough space to download movies for offline viewing. Consider tablets with expandable storage via micro SD. A good starting point is at least 64 GB, but 128 GB or more is ideal. Battery life is crucial. You don't want to constantly search for a power outlet. Look for tablets with several hours of continuous video playback. Check the specifications for the estimated video playback time. Connectivity options also play a role. Wi-Fi is essential, but consider 4G or 5G if you want to stream on the go. Bluetooth is also important for headphones and speakers. Let's talk about the operating system. Android tablets and iPads are the main options. Android offers variety, while iPads have a user-friendly interface. Consider which suits your needs. Finally, think about extras. A built-in kickstand, comfortable design, and support for accessories can enhance your experience. Some tablets offer eye comfort modes to reduce eye strain. So, when choosing a tablet, prioritize display quality, audio performance, processing power, battery life, and storage. Consider the operating system and connectivity. With these factors in mind, you'll find the perfect tablet. Thanks for watching.